How can you convince your brain to assist you every time when it comes to manifesting? Well, the first thing is to find out when will your brain listen to you, but not only listen to you, when will it listen to you without rejecting anything and by accepting anything that you tell it or show it or impress upon it. Now, before I tell you how this functions, you have to know that the brain has 5 wave states, and it finds itself in any one of these given states at a certain time. These 5 brainwave states are the alpha state, the beta state, the delta state, the gamma state, and the theta state. But for the purpose of today's video, we are going to focus on what we call the alpha state. The alpha brainwave state is a state of relaxation and sort of like you would say a trance-like state, something that's dealing with a hypnotic state. When your brain is in the alpha state, it accepts all and any information that is put inside of it. There's absolutely no resistance. There's absolutely no rejection. And everything that you, let's say, tell your brain must be accepted. It would sort of be like your brain being unconscious but conscious. Conscious to realize what you are saying, but unconscious to offer any type of resistance. There are natural times in our lives where our brain reaches the alpha state. One is just before you fall asleep. The other is just after you wake up in the morning. Let's say, for instance, if you are getting a massage and you become extremely relaxed, listening to soft music, space music. But probably the best way to put information into your brain and the best way to reach the alpha state is through meditation. I'll give you a little example of what you can do. Relax yourself. Just relax in the best way you know how, in a quiet place, and just simply close your eyes. Now, while your eyes are closed, just imagine you look into blackness. Don't try to look into the blackness, just do it. And you do this for, let's say, maybe a half a minute or a minute or so. And then you start to speak to yourself either, or you can visualize, or you can just think of whatever it is you would like to accomplish. And by virtue of the brain being in the alpha state is also a highly receptive state. It's like an information take-in state. And whatever you are saying or whatever you expel from yourself or put out, this is taken and absorbed into your brain in a very extremely potent manner. And let me say this also. We humans, we have a natural information filtering system. I'm going to make a video about that later. But since the brain is in the alpha state, there is nothing that needs to be filtered because the information that you are putting in is the exclusive and the only information that your brain is accepting in this state. If you were to be awake, your brain would be focused on so many other things, and this information would also go into your brain, but it would be, you would say, filtered between all of the other information that goes into your brain. You see, as powerful as the great mind is, the great mind speaks through us through quietness. This is our natural state. And when we move back to that natural state of quietness and we use information, our brain and our physical aspects take that in a lot more stronger than it would if we were preoccupied with other things. So the takeaway here, Simply think of the saying, silence is golden. And what is meant behind this saying is that if you want to accomplish anything, go inside of yourself, find quietness, put information in there. It will be potent. It will grow because it has nothing to disturb it. Let it go, and life will bring this to fruition. The only thing that you have to remember is that you are also going to have to bring some physical effort. Because think about this, faith without works is dead. We're going to have to invest some physical energy in whatever we do. And even if it's just a belief and carrying yourself in a certain way. I'm going to leave it right there. Until the next video. Hey everyone, Advancing Being Mind here. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more content like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you already are subscribed, thanks for the support. Take care.